What is asked in VARC section of CAT exam? We are going to answer this question in this video. Hi, I am Amit, Senior Mentor at MBA Easy. Now, we are going to discuss what is asked in VARC section. As the name itself is suggesting you, VARC section has two broad types of question. One is the VA part and the other is the RC part. Now, historically, if you look at for past 7-8 years, if you look at this nature of question, the kind of question which has appeared in CAT, you can say that as far as the VARC section is concerned, RC is the one which is predominant. So majority of the question will be from RC, which is reading comprehension, and the VA part is a tiny fraction. Say for example CAT 2020, if you take out of 26 questions, 18 questions were only from reading comprehension and remaining 8 questions were from the VA part. So it is the RC part which is the meaty part, which is the chubbiest of the whole section, chubbiest part of the whole section, the meaty part, the mothership. The remaining 8 questions were from verbal ability. So in this video we'll discuss about what are the nature of questions which are asked in RC, what is RC all about and what is VA all about. So this is our agenda for this video. So let us start here. As the name itself is suggesting, reading comprehension is one area where you read something, you comprehend that, and then you answer questions. And these are this type of question is generally introduced to children who are studying in, let's say, 3rd standard, 4th standard. Okay, so this is not alien to you. You already know quite a lot about this. But having said that, let us still understand what is the emphasis of in reading comprehension as far as CAT is concerned. So if you look at the reading comprehension section of CAT, you will have 500, 600, sometimes even lengthier passage given to you. The passages will be from various range of topics. So it is not just one type of article or one type of passage which is given to you. There is a wide range of nature of topics. So if you look at the nature of passages, what is the kind of passages, what are the kinds of passages which come in RC section, we can say that as far as the length of the passage is concerned, it can be 300, 400 and it can go up to 600, 700 word passage. Now, as far as the subjects which these passages cover, it can cover any subject. So the nature of the passage is open-ended. Anything can be asked. It can be economic based. It can be something related to sports. It can be wit or humor. It can be literary review or a review of a book. It can be some political article. It can be some geopolitical article. It can be some scientific journal article. So there are anthropology related to psychology, etc., religious articles. So there is no limit as far as the types of passages or the subjects which these passages would cover is concerned. Anything can be asked here. So so you have to be prepared to read anything comfortably, any topic. So this is the first part, nature of passage. Anything can be there. The second is nature of questions. Now, as far as the nature of question is concerned, you will have mostly questions which are where the answer are not ready-made available to you inside the passage. So if you read the passage, you have understood the meaning of the passage, still you will have to think through to get to the answer of the question. So the questions will be mostly inference based, questions which will test your ability to read in between the lines, questions where you literal meaning of the passage will not help you answer any question very comfortably. So you have to understand the motive with which the author has written this passage, what is the agenda of the author, what is the mindset of the psyche of the author. So all of this is required. So it requires some critical reading ability, not just plain reading where you know the meanings of the word. That itself is not going to be sufficient because the questions will be mostly inference based. All right. And the third thing in reading comprehension is the nature of options. So you have understood the questions here. Questions will be mostly inference based, mostly indirect in nature, but on top of it, the options will be given to you for any reading comprehension question. 4 options will be given to you. Out of that 4 options, you will be if you have understood the paragraph well, you will be able to eliminate 2 options. But still, you will have to break your head over 2 options because 2 options will be very, very close to each other. It will appear to you as if any of these can be the answer. So that is where CAT plays with the mindset of the student. That is where CAT challenges you in reading comprehension. That is, you have to identify which of those two closely looking options is the correct one. So that is another area, another nature of complexity as far as reading comprehension is concerned. So this reading comprehension forms the major chunk of your RC section or VA RC section. Okay. Then the second part is the VA part. So out of 28 questions, if you take CAT 2020 as a reference, in CAT 2020, 26 questions had appeared. Out of that 26 questions, you had 18 questions. So it is wrongly written here. Make a correction here. It is 18 questions from reading comprehension and remaining 8 questions were from the VA part of the verbal ability part. So the VA part basically constitute questions based on paragraph formation. So you have jumbled paragraph where sentences of a paragraph will be given to you in jumbled format. You have to arrange it properly so that it becomes a meaningful paragraph. Okay. Similarly, the other type is the out of context sentence. So as the name itself is suggesting you will have say 4 or 5 sentences given to you. 4 of those sentences will be talking about a topic, or in other words, they will form a paragraph. The 5th one is the odd one out. You have to pick that odd one out. Okay. So this is another type of question in paragraph related question or the VA part. And the third is parasummary. Parasummary is where a paragraph is given to you, a very short paragraph is given to you, and you have to identify or pick the correct summary of that paragraph. So this is another type of VA question which is asked. So as you can see, the VA part is mostly related to your understanding of how paragraphs are constructed, how authors construct their paragraph. So these are paragraph related questions. But there is a lot of reasoning also involved here. So this is another area. But the major emphasis is reading comprehension. Now you have understood what is asked in CAT exam as far as VARC is concerned. In another video, in the next video, we'll also discuss how one should prepare for the VARC section. So that is for the next video. See you till then. Have a good day. Thank you.